Hey y'all, Diamond Painting Cajun here. How are y'all doing today? Welcome to my channel. My name is Debbie, Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Yeah, how's everybody doing today on today's Sunday? How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's good. What have y'all been working on? Y'all leave that in the comments below, because I always like to see what everybody's working on and stuff. Okay. So I'm here to do a Diamond Art Club unboxing. I purchased a painting, Diamond Art Club painting, and I want to unbox it for y'all. I haven't had a chance to do much of nothing, so you know. I'm pretty busy. My daughter's getting married, so yeah. We're starting to prepare. We were wedding dress shopping and stuff. And so, yeah, that's what I've been doing. Well, not just that, like many things, but you know. So what I'm going to do is a Diamond Art Club unboxing. And I had started this video and I don't even know what happened, y'all. But here it is again. And I'm going to show y'all the toolkit. But let me catch it. Let's see what I put in here. Because the toolkit, I had to take the toolkit out because it was busted. Like, it was all sticking out. And the tweezers were sticking out. And I didn't want it to puncture my, I always check it when I get it. First thing I do is undo it and check it. To make sure it's the right painting and all that good stuff. So, I took this out and it was coming out. And I wanted to make sure it hadn't punctured my canvas. And it had not. So it came with washi tape, some flowered colored washi tape, a green pen, let me see, and a little bunny cover minder. Because I already put those away. Okay, so it came with one placer and a squishy, but it did also come with a 4-placer and a 7-placer as well. So it came with those. Came with some baggies as well. Baggies. And this is the culprit. This is the culprit. This branded Diamond Art Club branded tweezers. This is the thing that punctured, that went through the thing. It went through the bag, but it did not puncture my canvas, thank God. Okay, well, there we go. And it came with a boat, and it's the white hard plastic boats, not the glittery ones. And it also has a stopper so your drills don't fall out. I can't hold nothing. What's the deal? And this is a plate, 2 plates of wax in a heart shape. There you go. That's what it comes with. I'm gonna put these away. So, it came with a little bunny cover minder, and some flowered washi tape, washi tape. But I did take those and put those. I'm scared this falls out, so I'm gonna leave them out. I put them away already because I had not anticipated the video coming out really bad. So, you know, I didn't think I was gonna have to start over, but I did. So I am, right before I start that, what I'm working on right now is I started working on the Diamond Grandma's Diamond Grandma DG Big Butts 23 or DP Big Butts 23. It's Diamond Grandma's and oh, I forgot her name. I'm so sorry. It's their event for Big Butts for January. And so I'm late at starting that because y'all, let me tell y'all, I've been busy. I'm sorry. And I was trying to work on Coral Reef because I wanted to get, that's by Diamond Art Club as well. And I wanted to get some of that done because if I could get like a few more rows in. I got the top row. I'm on the second row. If I can get, you know, good going and then work in between those little ones in between that. Because I really want to finish that one before summer, which I'm pretty sure I will. But in between that, I also have to do PR packages. I have to do PR canvases, and there's other canvases that I would like to do that are smaller. And so, and I have another one I want to show y'all, because I want to do this one next. This is for a PR package. This is from New Craft Day, and I want to do that one next. So I'm doing the big butts one, and then I'll do this one, and in between I'm gonna try to work on the coral reef. So anyway, let me get back to task at hand. Diamond Art Club. This is a painting I got from Diamond Art. I ordered from Diamond Art Club. It is a square kit. It is called Beneath the Cerulean Sea, or Cerulean Sea. Cerulean Sea. It's by Kaplan Door. Okay, I know I butchered that, but you know, whatever. It's a 27 inch by 23 inch, 70 centimeter by 60 centimeter. And it is a square, like I said. And this is the canvas. Wait, is it upside down? Yeah. Sorry. There it is. That's what I'm gonna unbox in just a second. And it's big, but it's not that big. It's not like humongously big. This is the sticker for it. That's the sticker. That's the one. You can put that on your logbook or on your box. A lot of people like to put them underneath their box so that they can see when they're storing them or whatever. Oh, and Diamond Art Club has instructions on the back on how to do it tells you how it works, and then it switches instructions, and it gives you what the kit contains. So the kits always contain canvas, the diamonds, the multi-placer tweezers, the comfort grip, the pen, 2 wax pads, baggies, inventory sheet, and pre-cut sticker labels. So we're gonna take it out, and the canvas was not damaged by the tweezers or anything, thank goodness. I had a stroke for real. So as long as my canvas is not damaged, I'm good. So I'm gonna roll it out for you guys. And the first thing I'm gonna do is, they have coupon codes on every, like, they have one at the bottom of the painting. If you order from Diamond Art Club, on their painting, they have one at the bottom, a discount code. They have one on the back of the brochure with a QR code, with a QR, 20% off your first purchase through the app. In the pamphlet, they also have kit contents, and they have directions, and it also gives you another, this is the VIP group on Facebook. So if you want to join that, and it gives you instructional videos. Just scan the QR code or go to where it says to go, and it gives you instructional videos as well. And also step-by-step instructions. So they're very informative. Diamond Art Club's very informative as to what to do and stuff. And I promise you, they have videos all over YouTube. Okay, so this one came with 2 sticker sheets because it does have 70 colors. This diamond painting has 70 colors. 70. And it is, yeah, it's a 27 by 30, 27 inch by 23 inch. So it's pretty big, but y'all, like, it's really not like, I don't know, it's big, but I mean, to me, that's average. for like a Diamond Art Club. But I'm gonna show y'all the sticker and then stickers. This has the start date and end date. You can put that on in a logbook as well. These are the colors with the DMC codes. So y'all could see those. I'm gonna turn the sticker right side. So like I said, this one had, I hope y'all could see it. Can y'all see it? This one had 2 stickers because 2 sets. 2 stickers because they had so many colors. So, and this is the other one. See, they had like a few on this one. So if you mess up on one of these, you have 2. You have another one. And they do have some blank ones. And so this is it has 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And this is the canvas. Look at that drill field. I'm gonna move the canvas back and forth so y'all can see, okay? So look at this drill field though. I think it's amazing. They always have amazing colors and amazing. It's very clear, the drill field. It says, do what makes you sparkle. Diamond Art Club. So yeah, that's pretty cool, huh y'all? And I'm gonna bring it up. Like I said, I'm gonna go slow so y'all can like get us to see it up close. And then I'm gonna back up so y'all can see the whole thing. Y'all look the dolphins and the fish though, and the coral reef, and look at the seahorse, y'all. Look at the flowers. The flowers and the seahorse. Hold on, I'm trying to bend it a little bit so I can see. Look the flowers and look the seahorse. Oh my goodness, I hope y'all can see that. I might have to back up so y'all can see it really good. Look at that. Can y'all picture that? All those pretty fish and all that on your wall. Like, look how pretty. Look how pretty that is. I'm bring it over so y'all can see the bottom. Look those flowers. Oh, look, I don't know, but look how cute. Look the seahorse. That thing's so cute, I swear. Oh my God, it's so cute. Y'all, look how cute. Look at that. That's just amazing. I love it. I absolutely, absolutely love it. Look at that. The colors are amazing. Look, the dolphins. So I'm just stoked because look how cute that is. Isn't that cute, y'all? I love it. It's just so pretty. And it's even prettier in person. I mean, look at those colors. Those drill colors are pretty. I just can picture this on the wall in a pretty frame, like an ocean related frame, like with starfish on the side. I don't know, that's just me because I like the ocean and farm. I like both ocean and farm. I'm from the country, so you know, I do farm, I do ocean stuff's pretty. I do like the girls, y'all know my thing. I like pretty much anything. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I like flowers and stuff. So, I like a mixture. I'm good with just about anything. I do have favorites. Like farm stuff. Farm stuff, red trucks, ocean stuff. These are the drills, y'all. I'm not gonna take them out because I'm not doing this one right now because I'm working on Coral Castle right now. So, I'm sorry if I'm not gonna take them out for you guys. If y'all really, really want to see them in person, if y'all really want to see them, y'all leave comments down below. And if there's enough, I'll take them back out so y'all could see them. I'm pretty sure y'all see they have other YouTube creators I know of that I've watched myself that takes the drills out. So Diamonds and Washi takes hers out. Wait, I don't know which one got this, but I watch all of their channels. So y'all know who they are, I'm pretty sure. If y'all know who unboxed it, wait, y'all, did Diamonds and Washi unbox this? Or no, was it, I can't remember. Anyway, one of them unboxed it and showed the drill. So, you know, look how pretty though. Look at all those beautiful colors. I'm going to show y'all up close and I'm going to go slow. Look how pretty those colors are. These are the kinds of colors you would expect in this type of painting. I mean, of course, you know, the bottom of the ocean has many, many colors. So this pack of drills has many, many colors. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And all their DMC codes. Look at this blue. No, it's a dark blue. I'm telling y'all, it's so pretty. Look at that. Those are some amazing colors. Some pretty colors. I can't wait to work on this. I'm not gonna lie, but I have to finish my coral reef painting first. So, I'm gonna show y'all one more time. Look how pretty. Y'all, I can appreciate this. I'm not gonna lie. So pretty. Just so, 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 so pretty. And that drill field is amazing. So that's gonna do it for this video, you guys, and I really appreciate all of the subscribers and everyone that helps me and sends people to my channels. And believe me, y'all, I have like a whole list. I want to make a video of just that list so I can give everybody shout. Like I did one already, but there's so many more that I couldn't shout out, but I want to make a video just on that because like I really appreciate everybody sending people to my channel, and this community is wonderful. I really, really want to thank y'all. I love you guys so much, and thank y'all for watching. If y'all have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the subscribe and hit the like button, and also feel free to leave any comments or questions you may have. Thank y'all for watching. Love you guys. Bye.